How to deactivate an Instagram account without waiting for a week. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up Instagram on a device. So if you recently deactivated your Instagram account, there is another way to deactivate without waiting for another week. So first of all, go to your profile at the bottom right corner. Now tap on three lines at the top right corner. Now go to Account Center. Again scroll down and tap on Personal Details. Then go to Account Ownership and Control. Now simply tap on Deactivation or Deletion. Again select your Instagram account. Now this time select Delete Account. Again tap on Continue. Now select a reason and tap on Continue. Again tap on Continue. Now enter your password and tap on Continue. Also make sure to log in into your account before 30 days because after 30 days your account will be permanently deleted. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.